Today's discussion blends two major storylines that are dominating conversations across the drone and camera community right now, combining fresh leaked DJI product imagery with the growing uncertainty around the upcoming DJI ban in the United States, while also diving deep into why the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated handheld cameras in recent years. Because a newly surfaced real-world photo has delivered the clearest look yet at what appears to be the Pocket 4 in active testing, revealing meaningful design changes that hint at a substantial leap forward rather than a minor refresh, as the image shows a man standing in what looks like a modern urban park or seaside promenade during golden hour, with tall palm trees silhouetted against a warm sunset sky filled with orange and pink hues, an environment that feels intentionally chosen to test stabilization, dynamic range, color science, and low light performance under realistic shooting conditions rather than controlled studio lighting. And from behind, the tester appears dressed like a field reviewer or content creator, wearing a lightweight semi-transparent windbreaker and a dark backpack, reinforcing the idea that this is not a staged marketing shoot but a genuine hands-on comparison, because directly in front of him is a custom testing rig holding 3 DJI Pocket cameras side by side, a configuration that immediately signals comparative evaluation instead of casual filming, with the left and center units clearly identifiable as the DJI Pocket 2 and DJI Pocket 3, both powered on with their screens displaying live previews, confirming they are retail-ready models being used as benchmarks for framing, stabilization smoothness, and overall image output. While the third unit on the right is the most intriguing element of the entire setup, widely believed to be the upcoming DJI Osmo Pocket 4 due to its noticeably larger and bulkier camera head, which stands out instantly when compared to the slimmer profiles of the Pocket 2 and Pocket 3, strongly suggesting a larger image sensor, upgraded lens system, enhanced optical stabilization, or more powerful gimbal motors designed to handle increased weight. And what adds even more mystery is that the Pocket 4's display appears to be completely switched off, unlike the other two devices, a detail that feels intentional and points toward an early prototype running incomplete firmware or a hardware-only test unit focused on evaluating balance, thermal behavior, motor precision, and stabilization accuracy rather than final software features, especially since this image aligns closely with an earlier leak from inside a shopping mall where the Pocket 3 and Pocket 4 were seen side by side with both screens active. Yet once again the Pocket 4 featured a much larger camera head, reinforcing the idea that DJI is making a deliberate design shift toward improved image quality and low light performance, even if it slightly sacrifices the ultra-compact form factor that originally defined the Pocket series. And this design choice has sparked intense debate online, with social media reactions ranging from excitement to skepticism, as some users argue that the device no longer looks like a true pocket camera, while others believe DJI is intentionally allowing controlled leaks to build hype ahead of an official launch, because a closer inspection of the leaked images reveals additional clues such as larger gimbal motors, thicker arms, and a more reinforced structure compared to the Pocket 3, all of which point toward a system built to support heavier optics. And notably, the camera block appears positioned further forward, a common engineering decision when compensating for increased lens weight or more complex optical assemblies, lending credibility to theories that this is not a dummy unit but a functional camera undergoing real-world stress testing, while parallel leaks and rumors suggest possible headline features including 6K video recording at up to 60 frames per second, improved HDR processing, next-generation color science, enhanced subject tracking, a potential variable aperture ranging from around f2 to f4 for better exposure control, and even expanded gimbal movement that could allow near 360-degree panning, which collectively would make the Osmo Pocket 4 the most advanced handheld stabilized camera DJI has ever produced. And all of this speculation is unfolding against the backdrop of a looming DJI ban in the United States scheduled for December 23, 2025. A development that has left drone pilots, filmmakers, and content creators anxious about what will actually happen once that date arrives. Because according to statements from DJI leadership shared in a recent interview, As of mid-December 2025, the company had not received formal responses from key U.S. agencies such as the NSA, FBI, or DHS regarding a required security audit, leaving DJI at risk of being added to the FCC's covered list by default. And this uncertainty has fueled two main scenarios, with the best-case outcome involving no retroactive enforcement, meaning DJI would be restricted from launching or certifying new products in the US, but existing certified drones and cameras could continue to be sold, used, repaired, and supported, allowing current owners to fly and film without disruption even if replacement parts gradually become harder to source over time, while the worst-case scenario would involve a retroactive ban that removes DJI products from store shelves by revoking certifications, effectively halting sales, imports, and marketing. Yet even in this scenario, DJI has emphasized that existing owners would not be affected, with no grounding, deactivation, or decertification of personal devices, meaning anyone who already owns a DJI drone or camera, or purchases one before the cutoff date, would still be able to use it normally. And this context is important because it helps explain why DJI may be accelerating development of products like the Osmo Pocket 4 while also carefully managing accessory production timelines, as multiple leaks throughout the year suggested the successor to the Pocket 3 was originally targeted for a 2025 release, partly driven by concerns surrounding the US market. But more recent information now points toward a launch window shifting into January 2026 due to delays in accessories and ecosystem components rather than the core camera hardware itself. And adding to the confusion is the fact that some observers believe the unusual testing setup seen in the leaked photos could indicate DJI is evaluating multiple Pocket 4 prototypes simultaneously, while others argue the company is simply experimenting with different lens weights and gimbal configurations to fine-tune long-term stability and durability. And a third popular theory suggests the camera head may be intentionally wrapped or labeled to obscure its final design and specifications, all of which feeds into a rapidly intensifying rumor cycle that exploded after multiple leaked photos surfaced shortly after a now viral clip circulated online, ultimately reinforcing the sense that DJI is on the verge of a major reveal, because when you combine the visible hardware changes, the reinforced gimbal design, the rumored next-generation imaging capabilities, and the broader geopolitical pressures surrounding DJI's future in the US, it becomes clear that the Osmo Pocket 4 is not just another incremental update, but potentially a defining product that could reshape expectations for compact handheld cameras, mobile filmmaking, vlogging gear, and stabilized content creation moving into 2026 and beyond, making these early leaks not just confusing noise but the first real signals of a much bigger shift underway in DJI's camera strategy.